Hey everybody! All right, this is my very first live video for Facebook, so it's probably not going to be completely perfect. But I wanted to give you a midday update for the stock market for those of you who are part of the Making Stock Trading Simple page. First of all, as you can see, we're back in a rally. So last week everybody was very cautious with the North Korea situation. I have to say at the same time, of course, it is very scary sometimes with this stuff, but I also think that the market was in such a huge rally that there was no profit taking. So I think this was a chance to make this a profit taking situation. So people are a lot less concerned with the Korea thing. They're still concerned, but the market at least is not as concerned. The 50-day moving average is what we want to look at for our charts. And so the major markets, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, were all kind of flirting with the 50-day moving average. And it's still kind of flirting with that, but we're still in a decent uptrend in our market. So I still recommend going for your pretty charts. So those are the charts that are just, in a really nice uptrend. I will leave a picture of a chart that I think is in a really nice uptrend, just for an example. The other thing is we are in earnings season still, and some people like to trade earnings. I don't. I have, and I've had really great success trading earnings announcements, and I've also had terrible trades trading earnings. The thing with earnings is they can have incredible earnings reports and they're awesome, and you're like, this is it, this is going to be like the trade, I'm going to make so much money. And you'll see that they had great earnings. All it takes is a couple of things. They can say next quarter it doesn't look so good, or maybe an analyst will come out and say, that's all fine and great, but we don't see you doing as well. In fact, we're going to downgrade you from a buy to a hold, or a hold to a sell, or something like that. And it doesn't matter how the earnings went, the stock is going to tank. And I'm going to leave a chart in the comments as a perfect example for that, which is Priceline, PCLN. So I will leave that for you. Tomorrow, we have economic news, which is retail sales. That is a market moving indicator, economic indicator. It may or may not move because the market is in such a big uptrend. Sometimes the economic news coming out isn't as exciting as it might have been maybe 10 years ago when the market was getting kind of shaky. So it's just something to watch out for. It doesn't mean exit your trades. It just means it could affect your trade for a couple of days or however, depending on the news. So if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Otherwise, have a great trading day.